All right, we're in San Pedro, down by the harbor here, and there are 2 boat tours you can take. There's a whale watching tour, which is 2 hours. I'm not sure how much that costs. I'm not taking that one because I think Newport Beach or Huntington Beach might be better, where I saw blue whales before. And the other one is just a harbor tour, and that's 45 minutes. This harbor here, this port, combined with Long Beach, makes up the Port of Los Angeles, which is the largest, as in busiest, port in the Western Hemisphere. This sounds pretty cool, so let's get on board and check out the harbor. Do you think upstairs or downstairs is better?
I recommend upstairs.
Okay.
And then we're on the right side.
Okay, great, thanks. Whew. It's nice to sit down. Hope I got my sea legs.
Much anything that you get your hands on.
Off to our right is the Evergreen Container Terminal.
Bon voyage. Does anybody see me? No?
Where they also have the locations for their barges that take supplies to the island.
Look at this, we're coming up right behind the Royal Caribbean, Navigator of the Seas. Royal Caribbean.
Designed to be a massive U.S. Navy gunship that did also carry up to 3 U.S. presidents on board. The massive cannons on the front of the Iowa can hit a target up to 24 miles away. For its time, 24 miles away was a major distance, and putting it into perspective was from here all the way to Catalina Island. Here in San Pedro, the tugboats are essential here in the port of Los Angeles, by pulling or lifting containers and cruisers or large all throughout the port.
Just finished. That was a pretty fun little tour. Actually enjoyed it. 45 minutes long for 20 bucks or 15 online. I think it's worth it if you like shipping. I actually enjoyed the history and some of the points of interest that I didn't know about, like the prison and the filming locations and stuff. I thought it's pretty cool. So yeah, if you're down in San Pedro, then not much else to do down here except for the Battleship. So maybe stay in Long Beach and come out here for a day and check out this tour. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time. Take care.